Did you know that you can make your video sound clearer even while you are watching it? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a new trick inside the Gallery app that lets you reduce background noise instantly. It doesn't edit your video, it just cleans up the sound while you watch. To do so, open any video in the Gallery app. By default, the video is mute. Tap the sound icon to unmute it. You will see a small audio eraser icon appear at the bottom right. You can tap the icon right away to reduce background noise while previewing. No need to play the video, or you can tap play first, then tap the audio eraser icon. When the icon is animated, it means the noise reduction is active. Tap it again to turn it off. As a note, this feature only works during playback or preview, which means it doesn't actually edit or save the video. When you close the video or switch to another one, the original sound comes back. So if you just want to enjoy a cleaner sound without opening the editor, this real-time audio eraser is the quick and easy way to do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.